Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro rise 0.6% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the pound rise 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session after rising as much as 1% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Goldman Sachs Group said it is launching its transaction banking business for corporate clients in Japan as the US investment bank expands in the world's third largest economy. London's FTSE 100 gained for the fourth straight day as higher crude prices pulled up oil stocks, while caution ahead of US inflation data and minutes from the Federal Reserve limited gains. FTX, the cryptocurrency exchange that collapsed spectacularly in November, is considering reopening at some point in the future as it navigates bankruptcy, its attorneys from Sullivan and Cromwell said in a court hearing.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's unemployment rate will be released at 0130 GMT, the UK's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT, the US continuing jobless claims at 1230 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index will be released at 0430 GMT, Australia's employment change at 0130 GMT, the US initial jobless claims at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.